Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make baby food in Japan, 11 to 12 months old. Yay! So finally, my baby food in Japan series got 12 months. My daughter, Sui-chan, she will be 1 year old soon. And this is, she likes to eat food by herself. So I will teach 2 kinds of oyaki and 1 miso soup and 1 dessert. It's going to be a 1 set meal. So I hope you enjoy. And as usual, Mario and Luigi will be the helpers. But Mario is already asleep. And Luigi is always a passionate learner. So he will be joining us. Maybe. So during this video, I'll show you some tips and techniques to make delicious Japanese baby food for 11 to 12 months old. So please watch until the end. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so let's make oyaki first. So those are the ingredients. And then we have to grill the salmon. I use aluminum and wrap the salmon and start to heat. And medium heat. So in the meantime, let's prepare rice. Now we put the rice in 2 bowls. And I want to use shirasu, the small fish, and sweet corn. I recommend to take out the peel, all of it. Or you can chop the sweet corn into small pieces. And you can take out the peel one by one, but it takes time, so I cut into small pieces. Then move to the bowl. I put aosa nori seaweed and mix all together. And then about small fish, I recommend to boil and take out the excess salt. Otherwise, it's going to be too salty. Then we put 1 teaspoon potato starch. And please mix all together. This is going to be the binder of rice. About the rice, I recommend to use the soft rice. If you steam rice so hard, it's hard to make a oyaki. And if your rice is in a little bit crumbled, I recommend to put 1 tablespoon water to make soft rice. And if it's still crumbled, I recommend to put extra water on the rice and put in a microwave for, let's say, 1 minute. So to make oyaki, soft rice is very important. And the next one, there's a rice and I put cabbage. Let's see, the salmon is already done. So let's take out. Nicely cooked. And then let's make our salmon flakes. And also at the same time, please check if there is no bone. Now we put in our rice. My children like salmon, so I'm very happy. Now there's a gorgeous orange color and green cabbage color. Now mix all together. I think it's very creative to think about the combination of ingredients and color. Please be creative and make your own oyaki. So now 1 teaspoon potato starch. Okay, now it's time to make oyaki. So we use sesame oil, low heat, and drizzle sesame oil. And we move it to the rice in a pan. And please push and flatten the rice. Put salmon too. Okay, now let's check the other side. Oh, okay. Maybe I can taste this part. That's perfect. I think this is already done, so let's take out. Salmon version needs more time. So I cut the oyaki into small pieces. So same as the other one, I cut into small pieces. I used knife this time, but you don't need to. This is for my decoration. So I finished decorating oyaki. Look at this. It's really cute. I created it like this. I hope Sui-chan likes it too. And this is a dashi cubes. And we will use 1 cube. And we put this in a microwave and defrost. Okay, in the meantime, let's make a dessert. And let's cut banana. And let's display. I sprinkle kinako, 1/4 teaspoon. Then at last, jam. Then let's make a miso soup. So it's dashi super stock. Smells so good. So I use a miso modeler. I hope you checked my shop on Amazon.com. So we use 1/4 tablespoon miso. And please stir until the miso dissolves. Then please check the flavor just in case. If it's not too salty, even for adults, it's good. So I put tofu and spinach. Then pour dashi super stock. Like this much. So now the baby food in Japan, 11 to 12 months old, is done! So we made 2 kinds of yaki, salmon and cabbage. And the other one is aosa nori seaweed, shirasu, and sweet corn. And this is a miso soup with tofu and spinach. And this is the banana, topped with kinako, and low sugar strawberry jam. So how's the recipe today? I hope you try it out. And do you remember the tip? Please use very soft rice to make oyaki. And if it's not soft, please add water. Or you can also microwave the rice with water one more time and mix until it becomes soft. And tip, you can make oyaki with other seasonings and ingredients. Please use creativity and create your own oyaki. And you can use leftover vegetables or fish to make oyaki, so please try it out. And tip, to make miso soup, I recommend to use the miso modeler. It's easy to measure and easy to dissolve miso in a soup, so please try it out. Baby food for 11 to 12 months old, they're getting babies to infants, so they like to do things by themselves. So I recommend to make finger food for them so that they can eat by themselves. These days, Suijin can eat the dishes that a parent or her brother can go eat. So for me, it's easy to cook. So I'm so happy to see them eating the same dish together. So my baby food series will be over, but I'll try to make a kids meal little by little. So please stay tuned. And if you have recipe requests for kids, please also tell me. I'm happy to introduce Japanese style kids meals. Hello everyone, hello! Hello, hello everyone, hello, hello. Sui-chan will be 1 year old soon. So excited. So she's so independent these days. So she likes to eat food by herself. Yes. Yeah. As you see, and special thanks to Mario and Luigi, the toy poodles. Okay, so thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.